my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. This is the last nightcap of 2018. I don't keep putting 2017 in the titles, but it really is 2018. I've had quite an interesting year. The YouTube channel's growing a lot. I'm up to nearly 60,000 subscribers now. Hopefully we'll get some more in the coming year. I'm going to continue doing videos basically in the same format as I've been doing them, because people seem to enjoy them and I like doing them this way. Right, tonight's nightcap, it's all about traction engine oilers. It's all brass, machining brass, screw cutting brass, knurling brass, soldering brass, silver soldering brass. I'm basically sick of the sight of brass. Anyway, I've managed to get done what I had to get done. I'm really pleased with the results. I showed quite a lot of that, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to do the draw for the double boost cup in the double boost beanie that was donated by Extreme Embroidery, the lad that does the embroidery work for us. My wife was going to do this, but she's not very well. Actually, she's been in bed for a couple of days. It's the first weekend she's had off for a long time and she's full of cold. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. Alan PS 67. Right on, all you need to do is send me an email with your address and I'll get them posted off to you. In fact, I would, but Rob at Extreme Embroidery will get them posted off to you as soon as possible. Don't forget, if you'd like to purchase any of these items, all you've got to do is follow the link in the introduction box at the start of the video. Don't forget, any of these items that are sold do directly help support me to run the Double Boost channel and hopefully get back to America again next year. I'm going to do another giveaway this week. This time it's going to be for a fly cutter. This is a homemade fly cutter that was sent in to me with a package of items really. I'm going to show them a little bit later on. I'm sure the gentleman that sent it in will recognise that. It's very well made, it is. I've already got the one I made and the bought one. It's pointless having three, so I hope somebody can get some good use out of that. As usual, if you want a chance at winning that, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email up there, containing your name, like your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name will go into the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it off to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. Right, I'm back to where we left off last week now. I set a really low on this down to 20mm. It's a 20mm thread we're using this time. Right, 20mm. Once again I put a little groove in for the screw cutting tool to drop into a little undercut. So we've got a nice shoulder for the thread. Right, and I need to set the gearbox up for the 1.5mm thread. Put a thread on there and hopefully this one's going to be right. Just put a little chamfer on these edges. Right, this is a 1.5 pitch foam tool. It's on centre height, and that makes sure it's square to the job. This thread's fully cut when the tool gets down to full depth. I'm just going to go straight in. You don't go in at an angle with these tips, especially on a small thread like this. So we need a fairly slow gear. Slow on that because it's going to come up pretty quick. That'll do. Just making sure things are going the right way, which they are. Cross sides on 0, a little bit of cut on. Right, that's what I call the dog's bollocks, that's spot on. Just nice. I can part this off, grip that part in the chuck and then face the back of that. I'm going to leave it like that. It looks nice at that thickness. So a nice little chamfer on it, a little radius on the edge of it. Like that. Now we need to drill a hole in here just to let the air in, because when the oil comes out the air is going to be able to get in to replace the oil, so we'll drill a little hole through there. That nice thing not using a big chuck is I can get the camera in easier. There's a lot more room around the headstock of the lathe. You haven't got the bulk of the chuck there. And I've got a 1mm drill, that's going to be enough. Very, very carefully with this because it really wants to snap. Right, that's through. Now of course you're going to try and screw that out of there. Now that'll be right. It. So I'm quite pleased with that. see a different colour between the bronze and the brass. We've decided to modify these oilers before they're even fitted. What I'm going to do is drill and tap that out to 1/4 BSP, which means that union there will screw in, and that little bit of copper pipe can be soldered into there, which means that can screw in into there, and the copper pipe will be cut off to the right length, and that's where the wick goes and it feeds oil down into the bearing. The other end of this, where it screws into the engine, that needs to be 1/4 BSP as well. So I'll make 2 extension pieces, something like that, be soldered into there with 1/4 threads on and a check nut. I'll use brass for the extension piece for that. So the first thing to do is to modify that and tap that thread out to 1/4 BSP. I tell you how much I like that spanner, it's absolutely wonderful. Right, 11.2mm is a tap and drill for 1/4 BSP. Be careful because it's a sharp drill, listen, brass likes to dig in. Right, next we need some 1/4 BSP extension pieces. Needs 2mm off there to get it down to the size where I can put the 1/4 thread onto it. I'm going to put 1 inch of thread on, and that means he can cut it to whatever length it requires. There. It's going to be 1/4 BSP, but it's going to be a parallel thread, not tapered. I could screw this, but it's just as easy to do with a nice sharp die. Right, nice shiny clean threads. And these indeed quarter BSP. Put the next size down quality in. We can grip the threads without damaging it. Turn this end down to fit in the little union and then drill it the through hole. A little bit more. Not a lot. Right, so that's nice into there. Just to drill that now for the oil to get through. Silver solder into there, and the copper pipe into there, that up through there, and that's basically it completed. I need to make 2 new check nuts for that as well, so you can screw it in, put a check nut on, pipe tape on the end, that'll be the job done. Plenty of flux into the job, and make sure that melts just before dull red. About there. Now so the silver's run all the way around, but you still can't help putting a little bit extra in, just to give it something to do when you come to clean it off. It's all the way around. Right, we'll sort of have a bit in now. Bring the camera in a little bit closer. The flame I'm using is actually oxypropane. You can oxyset in torch, but it seems to run alright on propane once you get it lit. Once again we'll get some flux into it. Nice even heat, more flux. Right, that's the shoulder all the way around. Shake it round. Right, these parts have cleaned up nicely. A bit of PTFE tape on there. So put your hand, turn the camera on a few seconds ago, you could have seen us do that. And I'll have to delete the soundtrack for that bit. You see the copper pipe poking up there, that's where the wick goes. So I've got two checkers to make for there, the final polish up and that's it. And they certainly look decent. I'm sure I'll be happy with them, I know I am. Don't forget, if you'd like to purchase any of these items, they're all available on the Double Boost page. Oh yeah, it's a Double Boost shop, man, you bellend. Don't forget, if you want a chance at... Don't forget, if you'd like to purchase any of these items, they're all available on the Double Boost bellend page.